everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topic of the day. Today's topic is Rail One app launched. Railways is continuously taking steps to improve the passenger amenities, introducing new generation trains, redeveloping stations, upgrading old coaches to new LHB coaches, and many more. Such steps have improved passenger experience in last decade. Union Railway Minister Shri Ashwini Vaishnav launched a new app named Rail One today at India Habitat Center in New Delhi on 40th Foundation Day of Center for Railway Information Systems. Rail One is focused on improving passenger interface with railways. It is a comprehensive all-in-one application with a user-friendly interface. The app is available for download for Android Play Store and iOS App Store. It integrates all the passenger services such as unreserved UTS tickets via R-Wallet to get 3% of discount, live train tracking, grievance redressal, e-catering, porter booking and last mile taxi. Reserved tickets will continue to be offered on IRCTC. Rail One app has also been authorized by IRCTC, just like many other commercial apps who have partnered with IRCTC. Rail One features a single sign-on with login via MPIN or biometric. It also supports existing Rail Connect and UTS credentials. The app is space-saving as there is no need to install multiple apps. Modern Passenger Reservation System PRS by December 2025. The Railway Minister congratulated the entire team of CRIS on its foundation day. He urged CRIS to focus on further strengthening the digital core of Indian Rail. The minister also commended the CRIS team for the progress made on upgrading the existing PRS. The modern PRS will be agile, multilingual, and scalable to handle 10 times the current load. It will be capable of 1.5 lakh ticket bookings and 40 lakh enquiries per minute. The new PRS will be inclusive. It will have advanced functionalities for seat choice and fare calendar and integrated options for students and patients, etc. Technology defining the future. Indian Railways has driven its vision of making it the growth engine of India's Viksit Yatra. Launch of Rail One app affirms Bharatiya Rail's commitment to democratizing technology and delivering world-class mobility to every passenger. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.